Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to create Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, download the Phantom Wallet app. Once the download is complete, open the app and wait for it to load. When the app opens, tap on Create a new wallet. Follow the instructions to protect your wallet. For enhanced security, enable device authentication. I recommend using device authentication as it's more secure. I'll pause here briefly to enter my PIN. After setting up device authentication, tap Next. You'll receive a security recovery phrase. This is crucial. Copy it and store it somewhere safe. The recovery phrase is essential for accessing your wallet if you lose your device or need to recover your wallet on a new device. It's like your password. Without it, you can't access your wallet or its assets. Copy the recovery phrase to your clipboard and save it securely. Without this phrase, you won't be able to access your wallet or any associated assets. Once you've saved the recovery phrase, proceed by agreeing to the terms of service. Tap Get Started and you may be prompted to input your PIN again. Let me pause briefly to enter my PIN. You can choose to enable notifications or not. As you can see, I've successfully created and set up my Phantom Wallet. So that's basically how to create Phantom Wallet. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.